How to add a new row to an empty numpy array. Using standard Python arrays, I can do the following. However, I cannot do the same thing in numpy. For example, I also looked into stack, but when I use stack on an empty array, I get So how do I append a new row to an empty array in numpy?
The way to start the array that you want is, which is an empty array but it has the proper dimensionality. Then be sure to append along axis 0. But, @John Sharp is right. In fact, if you're going to be appending in a loop, it would be much faster to append to a list as in your first example, then convert to a numpy array at the end, since you're really not using numpy as intended during the loop. The non-Pythonic way to do it depends on your application, but it would be more like.
Here is my solution.
In this case you might want to use the functions np.stack and np.stack. You also can use the np.concatenate function. Cheers!
I want to do a for loop, yet with askuchan's method it does not work well, so I have modified it.